Hey guys, welcome back to FaO&x Outdoor Gear. I'm John. We got a little unboxing and product look at for you today. The guys over at VanTrue sent me a 3-stage dash cam. So we got a 4K dash cam for the front windshield, a cabin dash cam at 1080p, and a rear camera at 1080p. It's really neat. Connects into your a mobile app, so you can monitor that while you're in the vehicle or away from the vehicle. And it has a nice LED screen on it. It's actually 3.1-inch IPS LED screen, voice controls for interacting with it, Wi-Fi connection. This thing is going to be amazing. Let's kind of dive in and take a look what we have here. All right, so we have the main camera here, which will go on the windshield. You can see that sizable LED screen, and the cabin camera that you can turn on and off. That's going to be out the front as the dash cam. Quite a bit of cabling to run to the back of the vehicle if you're going to use the rear cam, so that goes into the back window. Additional cabling and the install manual. Looks like a pretty basic install. Walk you through the situation. I don't think there's going to be too much to it. A little bit of a cable run, really just attaching something to the windshield itself. So I don't think it's going to be too difficult. Let's go take a look. All right, so we're in the van ready for the install. This really doesn't look too hard at all. I'm sure you can get a professional to assist you with it, but hopefully I'll show you that it's pretty straightforward to install. So let's take a look what we have here. They give you a little piece of film to put that on your windshield. Very easy. This cable just connects and disconnects here. So I've just run it up above the windshield. Back out here so you can see it. This is always an easy run here. You'll have to excuse the door beeping. All right, but the windshield here is always an easy run up underneath here because there's always room. Now these are always going to be different. Let me show you what they give you here. So they give you a little interior snap piece. You can snap loose the interior brackets or just give a little space. So when I got to the other side of the windshield, all I'm doing is just putting this in here, creating just a little bit of room as I go, and feeding that cable through. Very easy to work with. So you can see I got it down to right here, and then up underneath the dash. From the dash, just one zip tie kind of gets it over to my power cable. That's going to be individual for every vehicle. I'm gonna hop back in the van so this thing stops beeping. All right, now that the beeping is done, let's try this again. So the install was very easy. Just took me about 5 minutes to run this cable around. Every vehicle is going to be a little different, but that little piece they give you makes it very easy. Trust me, I believe you can do this on your own. It's very straightforward. From that point, with a magnetic connection, we have our front camera and our cabin camera. Now they do have a little film on the camera itself. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. All right, the films are off. You can see how that connection has a couple teeth on it there. The back of this, you can see, has a couple teeth on it there, and it is extremely easy. That is a magnetic connection. So that's all it is. Very easy to run, very easy to operate. And we've got power. That really could not have been easier. This is definitely something you can do itself. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at downloading the app and take a look at it, and we got ourselves a dash cam. That's it, man. All right, very easy to find the app. You have a barcode there for Apple, one for Android. I'm using an Android phone. Just going to scan that real quick. There we go. Easy enough. I am installing the app now, and we should have ourselves a dash cam. Pretty excited for this, guys. We do so much traveling, see so many things. Dash cam will just kind of help us experience that. Also give us a little peace of mind when we're away from the vehicle. The app is downloaded, just opened it. It is saying to press a single button here, which is the Wi-Fi button. Turn that on, select device. It's right there, select, and I'm connected. That was pretty straightforward. That is pretty awesome. Check this out. See if that comes through here. We have a wide angle dash cam and a cabin cam. Both can be turned off or disabled, so the cabin cam can be off when it needs to be, of course. You can control it with this app, do anything you need to. It's very easy access buttons on the bottom of it. This is pretty exciting, guys. Check that out. 4K recording. You can put as big as memory card in there as you want. Take a picture. That's awesome. I just got a picture of Draven, my motorcycle out there. Live view, recording. This is pretty awesome. I'm going to like this a lot, guys. All right. So it is 1,000 degrees out here because we are in South Carolina. So I'm going to wrap this up. But our install is done. And I think anyone can do it. So again, the VanTrue 4K 3-stage dash cam is a big win, man. This thing is very nice. Looking at the entire, man, like the picture is just fantastic. This is going to be awesome. All right, guys, the information will be below. Keep adventuring and have a good day.